Little tractors. Look how sweet this is, guys. All the sunflowers, they all died. Yeah, I want to take one for the dog.
Got something.
Guys, it looks so sweet. I'm not really a pumpkin person, but we just booked this last minute. Well, I booked it at 2 in the morning to come this afternoon when we got back from London. There's something to do. It's really sweet. We're in Harpenden. Guys, I'm surprised my camera even works. I just left it on top of the car in this torrential rain. We just went to the pop-up farm. We're still here now.
After 800 yards, keep.
Because I can't find the dress. A really random question I've got here is, would you ever go brunette? So Harriet's just had a laughing fit at something that I put on my story. So yummy. I just made prawn biryani.
Always.
You'll see the thousands going back to their house after this. We'll see who gets rich one day and who gets rich quicker. But anyway, I'll catch you in a bit. Bye.
She has been a good dog. So we got her a big bone.